This is the painting in the patio. Painting. This is Liberty. And then there's another painting right here. There's another painting. I'll show you another painting. Papa is relaxing, listening to the radio. Grandpa, your grandpa. There's another painting here. That's the painting. This is my favorite motto. Living one day at a time. The painting is very nice. It's so nice. Look at that. That's all I like. That's all.